Hi, Bean Beauties, Dee Bean here. How you doing today? I have a Dooney haul, a Dooney and Bourke haul. It's a mini one, maybe. Come on back and we'll find out what I have to show y'all today. It was some of the sales from the summer. Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. This is a haul, and right now, off the top of my head, I cannot remember where I got these. So once we get into these, I know I bought some from the Dooney website itself. I bought some from the I Love Dooney site, but on eBay. And so we'll get started with this one first. I've had these for just a little while because I got sick, and so I wasn't able to get these done. All right, so this one is from the Dooney website, Dooney.com. Yeah. And this is a medium wristlet, and it is the Art Deco in the black base. There's Art Deco that's in the white background, and then there's the Art Deco that's in the black. And I decided to get this one in black, the little wristlet. Here is the front, the side, the back, the other side, the bottom, top, and then the wristlet. And it's so cute. I think was it DJ King? I might have been watching DJ King or Dazzle Me 77 or both, who were showcasing these, and I really liked it. I liked it in the accessories, not so much in the bags. I have a Dooney satchel, the barrel bag satchel in the white that I purchased that one. I actually purchased that one from QVC because they didn't have it at the time on Dooney.com or I Love Dooney. But I liked that one. But I didn't have any accessories. And because I really didn't like it, but I enjoyed it in the black. And I figured it'll be good. So it is just a regular wristlet, which it's detachable strap, and is the inside. It's got the red, and it's on it. You can have your attach your keys to that. So it is very it's cushion. It's got a lot of cushion in it. That was really surprising to me. So it is kind of it has like a cushion. It's cushiony on the inside. Very, very nice. I've had some wristlets from Dooney, and they have, the outside and the lining, but this one appears to have some kind of interfacing in it, and I like it. I'm there for it. It's like a little puffy or some kind of puffiness. Okay, so the next box is here, and this one appears to come from, I have to wait. When I get into it, I might be able to tell you where I got it from. The box is pretty squished. They're not as bad as they had been coming, but there it is. No sticker. Okay. So this is also, because I ordered two things, also from Dooney.com. It's slowly coming back to me. This was back in July the 21st for both of these, right? Yeah, both of these are the same order. And they don't have the prices on here, so I'll have to try to remember to insert that. They don't have them anymore. But it's an accessory, and so sometimes their accessories come in the boxes, which are really, really nice. And then this is how they are. Now, I opted, y'all, after I just say that, I opted for a white accessory. I went back and forth, and I wasn't sure, but I know this was on sale. And I was like, okay, let me try it, because I've gone from the Continental wallets to half wallets that I've been enjoying more because they fit a little bit better in my bags. And since I've been compartmentalizing it, it's been a lot more helpful. But here is the the inside, it is just beautiful. I mean, the I think because on this accessory, this wallet, it breaks it up a little bit better, and so visually it's not so stark, and I like that. It has one, two, three, four card pockets there, and one, two, three, four on this side as well. It has a place for your bills there, and it has over here if you want to put your coins. And this one's called the small flap wallet. Small flap wallet. So here it is. Side, the back, the other side, at the bottom. I like that. Last but not least is this big box. Now, I believe that this big box came from, it's I Love Dooney, but on eBay. And it actually took a while to get to me. Ooh. Wow. It's so pretty. This was ordered July the 18th. Whoa! Look at that! And no stickers. No stickers. Hold on. Oh, that hurt my shoulder. Oh, I am super, super excited about this tote. I have been wanting to upgrade my totes to a large tote size. But I had trouble trying to decide on a tote that I liked. And this came on sale. I'll try really, really hard to put the price up because I know that I got it for a fantastic price. Because Dooney, this is Dooney's 50th anniversary, and although they didn't come out with a special edition handbag that we were all hoping and wishing that they would have come out with, they have been to town with the sales this summer. So all year long. Now, look though, look how they packed it. They stuffed it, Dooney. They stuffed it in and folded down the handles, the straps. So all right, let me show you the outside of the tote. So here's the front, here's the side, here's the back. It does have a zipper, zipper pocket. It has the red lining on the inside. Definitely a space for your phone and whatever else. Here's the other side. Here is the bottom, and she has feet. And look at that vaqueta. Oh my goodness. And here is the top. And then here is the zipper. So we'll go, and it has the red lining as well. I'll give you a little bit more rundown of the inside in just a second. Let me see if it fits my shoulder, because that was one of the reasons why I hadn't gotten a. Now I'll put the strap link up there for you. This is comfortable enough for me personally, and I would like it to be a little bit longer, but hopefully if I'll lose some more weight. But that was kind of the thing too, is now that I've lost enough weight that I'd like my totes to where I can carry on my shoulder, whereas before all of my totes were crook of the arm or top, like carried like a top handle, or my husband would carry them because I wasn't using totes on my person. I want to use some on my persons, but I still have to be diligent and not overpack it. Whatever I'm carrying in my regular purse is what I'm going to carry in here. So fingers crossed, because I failed that early on when I did get a larger tote. And yeah, no, I can't do that. So let's go in here and see what's inside. Dooney, you don't have to worry about their packaging. They completely protect the bags It's very rare that they don't. I don't think I've ever had one that wasn't stuffed. Even if it was a one that was returned, and there's always the, what are they called, the decadence, I don't know, something like that. So here it is. It has the regular Dooney setup. It's got the zipper pocket back here. There's the sticker, and here is the registration. Now, one of the things that does drive me crazy is that, see how that is folded over the slit pocket, because they stuff it and they don't make sure that it's not pushing that down. So sometimes that takes a while for that to get back. Here is the label on the inside, and over on the front side you have a larger slit pocket and a smaller slit pocket. Your cell phone will fit here in the back there and here, so you have plenty of options for your cell phone. And it has the key keeper here, and it has the vaqueta just like the handles on here, and that's what it looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. I did discover the totes that caught my eye were not plain totes. They were more totes that had personality, and because I'm not going to be wearing them on a daily, and even before I got sick, I always liked totes that had funny sayings on it or what have you, but I really, really enjoyed it. So I have this wristlet that I can pair with it, and I have the wallet here that I can pair with that too, along with whatever other colors that I choose to use with that. I mean, you can have the pinks and the purples and the greens. I mean, there's just every color in the rainbow that you can use, blacks, browns, in addition to that. So I'm really, really excited about carrying it. I thought I had bought another accessory. I thought I had bought the larger pouch, but I guess I didn't, or it could be here somewhere. Who knows? Dazzle 77, she had, it's a crossbody, but she uses it as a catch-all. And I thought I could use that as a catch-all for in here, because usually when I carry bigger bags, I will need stuff that have papers, and I need pens and things like that. And so I thought that would be perfect to carry all of that kind of stuff. And I thought I purchased it because they were all on sale, but maybe I changed my mind. It could have, I got sick, so I could have not, I could have put a pin on it and then completely forgot about it. But what do you think? Let me know if you have a Art Deco of any kind. Let me know what pieces that you have, or if you're looking to get into it. I would greatly love to find that out. Thank you so much for coming and visiting me today. Thank you for all the well wishes, and I will see you on the next unboxing. Love y'all. Bye-bye.